What's up, everybody? It's Jeruel, and welcome to Angeles City in the Philippines. This place is absolutely buzzing with energy, and I'm stoked to share my top 10 things to do here. Whether you're a total foodie like me, a history nerd, or an adrenaline junkie, Angeles City has something for everyone. We're talking delicious eats, fascinating history, and adventures you won't find anywhere else. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's jump right into the action.
Alright guys, first up, we're hitting Fields Avenue. If you're looking for the heart of Angeles City's nightlife, this is it. This street comes alive after dark with bars, clubs, and live music. The energy here is contagious. Friendly locals, travelers, and neon lights everywhere. It's an experience you won't forget.
Next up, we're stepping back in time at the Clark Museum. This place is a gold mine for history buffs, especially those interested in the American colonial period. Tons of artifacts and exhibits tell the story of Clark Air Base and its regional impact. It's fascinating to see how this place has transformed over the years. The museum's beautiful old building adds to the experience.
Okay, foodies, this one's for you. We're heading to Ailing Lusing's, the legendary birthplace of Sisig. This sizzling plate of chopped pig's face, onions, and chili peppers is a Filipino icon. Trust me, the hype is real. It's savory, spicy, and absolutely addictive. Grab some local beers to wash it down. You won't regret it.
All right, time to unwind at the Puning Hot Springs. After all that exploring, you deserve a little pampering. This place is like an oasis in the middle of the city. Imagine soaking in steaming hot, mineral-rich water surrounded by lush greenery and stunning mountain views. It's the perfect way to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. They even offer unique volcano spa treatments where you get covered in volcanic ash. It's a bit messy, but hey, when in Rome, right?
Next, we're diving headfirst into local culture at the Museo Ning Angeles. This museum is a hidden gem that showcases the rich history and traditions of Angeles City. You'll find exhibits on everything from local crafts and religious artifacts to the city's role in the Philippine Revolution. It's a great way to get a deeper understanding of the people and the place. Plus, the museum often hosts cultural events and workshops, so you can really immerse yourself in the local scene.
Now, for a little retail therapy, we're hitting SM City Clark. This place is a shopper's paradise. We're talking a massive mall with everything from high-end boutiques to local shops selling souvenirs and handicrafts. You can easily spend hours browsing through the stores, grabbing a bite to eat at the food court, or catching a movie at the cinema. It's the perfect place to escape the heat and indulge in a little shopping spree.
Get ready for some serious fun in the sun at Aqua Planet. This massive water park is a guaranteed good time for families, couples, and anyone who loves a good adrenaline rush. We're talking thrilling water slides, a wave pool, a lazy river, and even a flow rider for all you surf enthusiasts. It's the perfect way to cool off and let loose. Plus, they have plenty of food stalls and picnic areas, so you can make a full day of it. Pinatubo Epic Hike, epic views. Lace up your hiking boots, guys. We're conquering Mount Pinatubo. This active volcano offers a unique hiking experience in the Philippines. Trek through rugged landscapes and steaming volcanic vents to the breathtaking crater lake at the summit. It's challenging, but worth it for the views. Imagine standing at the edge of a volcano, looking out over a clear blue lake. It's a memory that will stay with you forever. Clark Freeport Zone adventure awaits. Hold on tight, because things are about to get wild at the Clark Freeport Zone. This place is a hub for all things adventure and entertainment. You can test your limits on a zipline course, race your friends at the go-kart track, or even try your hand at wakeboarding at the Decker Wake Park. It's the perfect place to let loose, try something new, and create some unforgettable memories.
All right, last but not least, we're hitting up the Angeles City Public Market. This place is a sensory overload in the best possible way. You'll find stalls upon stalls of fresh produce, seafood, meats, and just about every Filipino delicacy you can imagine. It's the perfect place to soak up the local atmosphere, sample some authentic flavors, and maybe even pick up some souvenirs. Just come hungry and be ready to bargain.
So there you have it, guys, my top 10 things to do in Angeles City. This city really has it all, from wild nightlife and delicious food to fascinating history and heart-pumping adventures. I hope this video inspires you to add Angeles City to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. So, there you have it, guys, my top 10 things to do in Angeles City. This city has it all, from nightlife and delicious food to fascinating history and adventures. Add Angeles City to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.